How to fix MSVCR110.dll is missing from your computer, error in Windows 11. Solution 1. Install Visual C++ Redistributable. Open your web browser and go to the Visual C++ Redistributable download page. You can find a link in our article linked in the video description. Under Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022, click the download links for VC_Redist x86.exe and VC_Redist x64.exe. Run both VC_Redist x86.exe and VC_Redist x64.exe once they're downloaded. Agree to the license terms and conditions, and click Install. Click Close once the installation is complete. Agree to the license terms and conditions, and click Install. Click Close once the installation is complete. Solution 2. Install DirectX runtime libraries. Open your web browser, and go to the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer download page. You can find a link in our article linked in the video description. Click the download button. Run DX web setup.exe once it's downloaded. Accept the license agreement, and click Next. Uncheck the Install the Bing bar checkbox if you don't want it, and click Next. Click Next again. Click Finish once the installation is complete. Solution 3. Update Windows 11. Right-click the Start button, and select Settings. In the left pane, select Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Allow Windows to download and install the updates. Click Restart now once the updates finish installing. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.